making enchiladas with corn and flour tortillas.
My mother used to make them a lot for like Christmas because she got it from my grandmother. Because my grandmother's like passionate about cooking. Like if I ask her if she can make something, she'll make it like on the spot right there. And that's where I think I mainly got my passion of cooking from.
We had the sauce prepped and simmering on the stove yesterday. Then we assembled the enchiladas. And then we had the enchiladas simmer on their own, putting them back in the oven.
Enchiladas originate from Mexico with different variations coming with the enchiladas and there's also different kind of sauces that can come with it for like salsa verde or salsa rojo, or sometimes mole even. I really want to have my own business / restaurant, so where I can make my own creations and people can enjoy it.
This is strawberry tres leches, and then we have our guacamole, our corn chips, our salsa, our verde enchiladas, and then our red enchiladas with an agua fresca that is watermelon, strawberry, and mango.
That was really good.
That is really good.
No way, I know this guy, I know this hand.
Bon appetit, enjoy, right?
Provecho. Provecho.